Sri Sharda Bhavan Education Society's Yashwant Mahavidyalaya Nanded, Department of Commerce and Management e-lecture series. Class BCom second year, third sem. Subject Cost Accounting. Topic Objective Cost Accounting. Myself, Dr. Harish Chandra Patange, Professor and Head, PG Department of Commerce and Management. Objectives of Cost Accounting. After nature and scope of cost accounting, we are going to study objective of cost accounting. The first objective of cost accounting is to ascertain cost of product or service. In our cost accounting, the main objective is that whatever product is there, whatever service is there, whatever process is there, whatever contract or work order is there, we are going to ascertain the cost of that product or service. Now, second objective, it is also one of the objectives of cost accounting to control cost of product or service. It means that only cost ascertainment and determination is not sufficient. At the same time, we need to keep proper control over the cost of product or service. So it is also one of the objective of cost accounting to control the cost of product or service. Now third one, to serve as a guide to price fixing of products. It means price determination. Considering the various limitations of the financial accounting, we are unable to decide or determine the price for our product. But the cost accounting has objectives to serve as a guide to fix the price for our product or service or process or job or contract. So, price determination is the key objective of cost accounting. Fourth one, to disclose or find sources of wastage in various operations of manufacture. In operation of manufacture, various sources are there of wastages, and we need to find out such sources, and we need to avoid such wastages in our operations of manufacture or production. Number fifth one, to reveal or find the sources of economy, I mean cost reduction in production process. Economy means cost reduction. In production process, where there we are able to reduce the cost, means where there are sources where we can keep the economy, we can maintain the economy, we are going to find with the help of cost accounting. So cost accounting has the objective to reveal or find the sources of economy or the ways of cost reduction in production process. Sixth one, to provide an effective control system for stores and material. In any manufacturing concern, stores and material covers or constitutes 60 to 70% cost of the total product. So we need to provide an effective control system over the stores and material costs, and such effective control system is to be provided with the help of cost accounting. So cost accounting has the objective to provide an effective control system for stores and material. Now next one, seventh one, to measure the degree of efficiency of various departments or units of production. We know in our factory so many units are there, so many departments are there, and we need to measure or we need to know the degree of efficiency of each and every department. Efficient department will be expanded and inefficient department should be discontinued, and in order to take such decisions, the our cost accounting provides such information to the management. So it is also one of the objective of the cost accounting to measure the degree of efficiency of various departments or units of production. Eighth one, to provide suitable information to the top management to control and guide the operations of the business management or organization. It is also one of the objectives of the cost accounting to provide suitable information or required information to the top level management regarding to control, guide and manage the operations of the day-to-day business organization. So cost accounting is very helpful in order to provide such suitable information or reporting to the top level management to control and guide the operations of the business organization. Next one, number 9, to exercise effective control on the cost, time, efforts of labor, machines and other factors of production. In our factory, the cost control is very important. And in order to cost control, we need to provide the exercise, we need to exercise effective control on the cost, whatever material cost is there, labor cost is there, or any other direct cost or overheads are there. Then time, efforts of labor, machines, and other factors of production. Means by using the knowledge of cost accounting, we are able to control over the cost, we are able to control over the time, we are able to control over the efforts of labor, we are able to control over the wastage of machines or whatever any other factors of production are there. Number 10, to compare actual cost with the standard cost and analyze the causes of variation. It is also one of the important objectives of the cost accounting. Whatever standard costs are to be set, these standard costs are to be compared with the actual cost, and if there are any adverse variations, we are going to find, and after that we are going to analyze these causes of variation and remedial measures are to be taken into account. Number 11, to provide necessary information to develop cost standards and to introduce the system of budgetary control. The budgetary control system is nothing but under this system we have to set the budget for each and every unit. Whatever actual result or data is there, that is compared with the budgetary figures, and if there any variation or adverse variation is there, in order to remove such variation, we are going to take the remedial measures in order to overcome such variations. Next one, to know where to minimize cost, how to fix prices, how to maximize profit, and so on. It is also important objective of the cost accounting. Firstly, where are the possibilities to minimize the cost? Means whatever cost is there, they can be classified into two categories: controllable cost and uncontrollable cost. Uncontrollable cost is not possible to reduce or minimize, but controllable cost is possible to minimize. And secondly, how to fix the price. Price fixing or price determination is the main objective of the cost accounting, and with the help of cost accounting we are going to know how to determine the price, how to fix the price, what method of price should be used, what technique of pricing should be used, and how to achieve the maximum profit by using proper price. How to maximize profit also means the cost, price and profit, these three are the interrelated things. If the cost is minimized, then price is possible to minimize. If the price is minimized, then sales will be maximized, and if sales is maximized, then we are able to maximize the profit and so on. Thank you.